Welcome to VI Tech Academy YouTube channel, VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. Thank you so much for completing 3000 subscribers on our channel. We are happy to have 3000 members in our family. If you want to learn how to use computer and Android using screen reader, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive updates. If you have any queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can support us by donating using thanks or join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Follow our social media handles like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X to receive regular updates and tech-related articles. Happy learning! Hey guys, welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. Guys, after a couple of weeks, I am back with another interesting AI-related video. And this video is specially for JAWS users. JAWS has already announced, Freedom Scientific has already announced the JAWS next version, which is JAWS 2025 beta, and we have already made a video how to download JAWS 2025. And if you did not watch that video, I'll try to put that video's link into the pinned comment, so don't forget to check out that video. Already more than 100 people have watched that video and maybe installed the JAWS 2025. So there are several changes in JAWS 2025 which we are gradually will discuss one by one or sometimes in our videos. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for those videos. As well as I am also eagerly waiting to share some AI features of JAWS. So today we are going to discuss about the smart picture feature of JAWS. But friends, those who are using JAWS regularly or those who have the knowledge about JAWS, they know that smart picture is not a new feature. Yes, I agree with you. Smart picture is not a new feature, but friends, you don't know how much this feature has been improved. Yes, using this smart picture, you don't need to install any other applications to read any images or describe any images. And the best part is surprise. Watch the video till the end. So in this video we are going to discuss about the smart picture feature which you can use if you're a JAWS user. I promise that I am not taking so much time, so just 3-4 minutes stay with me in this video so you learn about this feature. So what is this smart picture feature? Smart picture allows you to analyze any picture, which means get the detailed description of any picture. We have already made a video how to solve CAPTCHA using smart picture feature. That is possible. What you need to do is you just need to go to press insert plus spacebar to activate the JAWS menu, then P for picture, then followed by C, insert space P followed by C. So if you press this, it will start capturing the screen. By focusing on, first you need to focus on any picture within the web, any website, then access these keys, so you will get the answer means you will get the detailed description. You get the description, like you can use it to solve the CAPTCHA. Okay, apart from this, the new thing, get any image description. Okay, so there are 3 ways actually there are. So first way I already told. The second way is using File Explorer. So how to use for that, I am going to my downloads.
Windows R. Open downloads. Enter downloads file.
So this is my downloads. Here I have one image.
Last week expanded image.jpg.
This is one image. Okay, just keep my focus on this, and I'm in the File Explorer, right? So now I am just activating insert spacebar P followed by F for File Explorer. So if your image is within File Explorer, just press this key.
Picture smart is in progress.
So let's wait.
The image shows a young man with short, dark hair and a neatly trimmed beard. He is wearing a black button-up shirt with small, light-colored patterns.
Okay, so this is a short description we get, right? Don't go. Something is also more special. Okay, so now I just want to use down arrow key.
The photo is head on with a plain background. Giving
Down
you a form
arrow.
or link, ask questions about this image.
Ask questions about this image. Yes, you can ask the questions about this image, and
Link, get more details.
I'm pressing down arrow again. Get more details. I can just press down arrow again.
Link, give feedback about this feature.
Give feedback about this feature. Okay.
Link, ask questions about this image.
So now if you press enter here, just listen to the screen reader. I'm pressing enter.
Enter, type a question, edit, type in text.
Type a questions, typing text, right? So here just let me type is the person
Person,
male
male,
or female?
enter, is the
See.
person male or female?
Just wait.
The person appears to be male.
Okay, the person appears to be male. I don't know whether it's male or female. Okay, so but yeah, it's correct. It's almost correct because it's an AI powered, and you know which AI it is using. Okay, that we'll discuss later. Right now I just close this tab.
Escape.
Now
Hello.
this is the simple image, simple description. But what if you want detailed description? Then there is a shortcut key. First of all, you can just click on more details and you'll get. But using shortcut, how to get? Insert plus spacebar,
Space.
P
Picture smart.
followed by Shift F.
Picture smart is in progress.
Now listen. This sounds indicates that description is being generated,
Heading level 2 Claude.
and now description is successfully generated. So I'm using up arrow, down arrow.
Heading level 2 Claude. The image shows a headshot portrait of a young man with East Asian features. He has short, dark hair styled neatly with a side part. His facial features include dark eyes, a straight nose, and full lips. The man has a thin mustache and some facial hair on his chin. He is wearing a black collared shirt with a small white polka dot pattern. The shirt is buttoned up to the neck. His expression is neutral, looking directly at the camera with a calm, composed demeanor. The background of the image is plain and light colored, typical of an ID photo or professional headshot. The lighting is even, clearly showing the man's facial features without harsh shadows. Overall, the image has the appearance of a formal or official photograph, possibly for identification or professional purposes. Heading level 2 ChatGPT. The image shows a young man with short, dark hair and is plain and light colored. Highlighting link, ask ChatGPT questions about this image. Link, give feedback about this. Link, ask.
Understand? First you will get the answer from Claude. Yes, and second you will get the answer from ChatGPT. Yes, GPT 4.0. Freedom Scientific offered this service with ChatGPT, and you can ask any questions regarding this image to ChatGPT. So let me press enter here, and just I am asking, can you guess the age?
Can you E get T A space 3H T space the S A of the man. Enter. Can you guess the age of the man?
Okay, let's see.
The man appears to be in his 20s. However, please note that estimating age from a photo can be imprecise.
Okay, so this I don't know whether it's correct or not, but still you can ask any questions regarding any photo. I'm just asking about this photo, and this helps. Like ChatGPT, they use ChatGPT's like OpenAI's ChatGPT model, so that will give you the brief description and
Escape.
and clear description. And next key is another way is like you can also use the clipboard. Okay, if there is any options in the clipboard, so you can use. Okay, now friends, I want to describe the entire screen. How to do it? So simply insert space P followed by S.
Picture smart is in progress. The image is a computer desktop screen with an abstract, colorful background. The wallpaper features swirling ribbons in shades of red, orange, purple.
Wow, fantastic. Okay.
Escape.
Next.
To move to items used.
Let's suppose I open
Windows 1.
Notepad.
Notepad.
Okay, now let's I press insert space P followed by W to get the current window.
Picture smart is in progress.
Current window. Okay.
Link, give feedback about this feature. The image shows an open, empty text editor window, likely in dark mode, on the computer screen. It has a blank space for typing with menus at the top labeled.
Right? So
Escape.
this is another way, another thing which we can do. Okay. So next I'm pressing insert space P followed by B.
Picture Smart is in progress. The image is a snippet of a course schedule. It lists courses for the year 2024. First semester courses include fundamentals of computing, basic mathematics.
Okay, so this is the description of the image which I already have in my clipboard. So these are some shortcuts which you have learned from this
Escape,
video,
blank,
and you can
untitled
use
notepad,
this
text editor, edit.
for your image recognition purpose. You don't need to download any other third-party app or any other application. Just install JAWS, use as a screen reader along with these amazing features. But features is not finished. Some other AI features is also there, which we will discuss in any other video. That's it for today. I hope if you find this content useful, please like the video and share the video with your friends. If you have any questions, feel free to ask into the comment section. Thank you for watching our videos till the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.